Installing cheese. What is cheese? Cheese is an open source application that allows Linux users to access their webcam devices and take pictures or create videos with fun effects. It is mostly used under GNOME desktop environment, and the application has no binary package for a specific Linux distribution, only a source achieved that allows advanced user to configure, compile and install it under any Linux-based operating system. So steps before you install, make sure that you do update Linux by running apt-get update command. Open terminal and type sudo apt install cheese. Oh, it's already installed. Okay. So once cheese is installed successfully, check the install package from the application menu, show application menu, and type cheese and hit enter. I'll go my webcam and it's working fine. Okay, thanks for watching.